Hello everyone, today I will show this 5-in-1 multifunctional hub. Look at this, it has 5 ports and it has 3 USB 3.0 port and 1 HDMI port, and it can support and it has PD or QC charge support. This device supporting charging and connect it to computer, and also can support computers charging. Plus, this is the Type-C cable. It can be connect keyboard, mouse, computer, iPad, etc. Now connect the HDMI port. Phone. It can be show the connect the PD charge. It can show the charging functional.
葛处长，你真会扇，这扇乎着我的心里。葛处长，打动党的确是件大事，我这思来想去呀，这事情我不能干。
二爷，你是嫌钱少，还是怕马子在你放不放？